In this video, I will show you how to master Rose AI so you can automate your data analysis tasks today. Most people think Excel or Google Sheets are the only options, but Rose AI changes the game by using artificial intelligence directly inside your cells. The biggest advantage of Rose is its ability to connect seamlessly to tools like LinkedIn or Google Analytics without any complex coding required. You can simply ask the AI to summarize data or find trends, and it works instantly. A major disadvantage is the learning curve for those used to legacy software because the workspace layout feels quite different. Another con is that the free version has limits. Despite these small hurdles, Rose is far superior for research tasks compared to traditional spreadsheets which require manual input for everything. If you want to save hours each week, then switching to this platform is a smart move. It bridges the gap between raw data and actionable insights faster.